Yeah, I wanted to finish my thought on the daily chart before I went into the weekly chart. I mentioned the target on these fib retracement lines. These are weekly fib lines of at 1275. It may take us a while to get there if that does happen. Pull back to recent high, or a big pullback to 1175, 1180 range, which is another fib line and horizontal support. Uh, those are the major areas, but what I'm really looking for, and I think is more likely and more healthy in my opinion, is a consolidation pattern so that this SMA 10, the white line, can catch up with the price. And that's what we saw back here. It's still considered a bullish trend as long as we consolidate and hold SMA 10. And what we really need to see again is this, or what we need to see is this SMA 20 to start to drift back up as well, like we saw here. It's running a little flat right now. Need to start seeing that moving back up. So short term, near term, I'd like to see some consolidation. I'd like to see SMA 10 to catch up. I'd like to see the price hold SMA 10. If not, it really needs to hold the SMA 20, but by that time, hopefully SMA 20 will be drifting in the upwards direction as well. Failure of both of those is an 1180 pullback in my opinion, so we'll watch for that. Now when you go into the weekly chart, you'll see the fib lines that I was talking about, so we'll go quickly just show you that. This is the big move from 2002 all the way up to our recent highs. That's the big fib line there. There's your 1275 retracement that I was talking about, and there's the around 1175, 1180 retracement I was talking about. That one was used as support and bounced up. We have now moved through recent price action horizontal resistance, which is around that 1120-25 range. So we are on the next leg, if you will. The question is, will we get to this 1275? If we do, there's resistance there. You can see some price action. It's kind of messy around that fib line, if you will. If we get to that price, it'll be interesting to see if we can get through. The next leg is way up close to 1400 that I'm not even thinking about right now. But again, you can see it fairly clearly here. There's a couple of targets to hit for. So let's try to drift to 1275 through the end of the year. That would be ideal. If not, then let's get closer in on these daily charts and watch the SMA 10 and SMA 20 lines, and make sure that these both continue to drift up and price stays above at least SMA 20 at least. If not, there will probably be some shorts coming in to try to drive it down to the 1180 again through year end. All right, that's it for the S&P. I'll talk to you later.